Did you know the average LinkedIn user only gets 3 profile views per week? 3. If you're like most people, you post occasionally, tweak your headline like once a year, maybe comment on a colleague's post here and there, but get 0 messages from recruiters. Well, that's about to change. In the next few minutes, I'm gonna take you through the Connection Confetti formula, a simple 7-day system to double your LinkedIn profile views. By day 7, you'll have recruiters, prospects, and potential collaborators finding you instead of the other way around. All right, let's get into it. Why your profile isn't visible and how to make it more visible. Most LinkedIn profiles look pretty much identical. A generic headline, a wall of text for a summary, 0 media, and no clear call to action. It's like showing up to a networking event and hiding in a dark corner. No one sees you, and if they do, they walk right by you. Take Sarah, for example. She had 50 connections and 0 messages from recruiters. Her summary read like a resume, full of bullet points and jargon. She made the classic mistake, thinking LinkedIn is an online CV. But LinkedIn is a search engine and a broadcast channel. It rewards profiles that speak directly to their ideal audience. Here's the crazy thing. A keyword optimized headline alone can boost your views by 300%. Imagine tripling the number of people who click on your profile before you even speak to them. That's where the Connection Confetti formula comes in. It works on 3 pillars. 1, positioning, so you show up in the right searches. 2, proof, so you build instant credibility. Number 3, prompts, so viewers know exactly what to do next. Master these, and your profile becomes a self-running lead generation engine. All right. Your 7-day profile revamp checklist. Here's your daily challenge list. Do 1 per day and you'll see your views skyrocket. Day 1, optimize your headline. Rewrite your headline to include 2 top industry keywords plus a benefit-driven title plus promise formula. For example, sales leader driving 30% revenue growth, enterprise SaaS expert. The result? Recruiters and decision makers find you first. Day 2, put together a scroll-stopping banner. Design a LinkedIn banner that showcases your core skills or a recent big win. Think a chart showing growth or a bold statement in your niche. The result? Instant credibility when someone lands on your page. Day 3, rewrite your summary for impact. Open with a 1-sentence hook. For example, I turned struggling startups into 7-figure powerhouses. List 3 achievements with metrics and then close with a call to action. For example, let's connect and talk growth. The result? Viewers pause, read, and then reach out. Day 4, add 5 strategic media items. Show, don't tell, upload presentations, case studies, or videos that reinforce your expertise. The result? The lingering time on your profile doubles and the LinkedIn algorithm notices. Day 5, solicit 3 targeted recommendations. Request short testimonials from recent colleagues or clients. Give them a template to make it easy. The result? Trust and authority skyrocket. Day 6, publish a keyword-rich post. Write a 300-word post on a trending topic in your field. Include 3 relevant hashtags and tag 2 industry leaders. The result? Immediate spike in profile visits from your network and beyond. Day 7, engage 10 new connections daily. Expand your radar. Send personalized invites to 10 people who viewed your profile or share similar interests. Reference something specific from their recent activity. The result? Network growth fuels more profile views and more opportunities. All right, there you have it. The 7 steps of the Connection Confetti formula. Commit to 1 per day. Track your profile views. Watch your visibility double by the end of the week. If this video provided you with any value, please hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tips. Thanks, guys.